In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your download history on Google Chrome. This is a simple yet effective way to tidy up your browsing experience and maintain a little more privacy when it comes to your past downloads. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Downloads page within Google Chrome, which is the place where you can see all the files you've downloaded from the internet. There's a handy shortcut you can use to get there quickly. Just press the keys Ctrl+J on your keyboard, and there you have it. Your Downloads page will open right up. Using keyboard shortcuts like this one can really speed up your workflow, saving you time you might spend digging through various menus. Once you've got your Downloads page open, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small icon featuring 3 vertical dots. This is a common feature across most of Google's interfaces, and it serves as a gateway to more options. Click on these 3 dots to open up a new menu. In this menu, there are several actions you can take, but for our purpose of clearing the download history, you'll want to look for and select the option labeled Clear All. It's a straightforward action, but very effective. Selecting Clear All will do exactly as it suggests. It will clear the list of all the downloads that have been cataloged by Chrome. Now, you might be wondering about the files themselves. Rest assured, even though your download history within Chrome is wiped clean, the actual files that you've downloaded are still safely stored on your computer's hard drive. Clearing the history doesn't delete any of your files. It simply removes the record of having downloaded them from the browser's perspective, giving you a clean slate and possibly offering a bit more privacy. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your download history in Google Chrome, giving you a neater and more private browsing environment. This can be particularly useful if you share your computer with others or simply want to keep your browsing experience as clean and efficient as possible. Remember, routine maintenance like this helps in ensuring your computer and browsers run smoothly and keeps your activities a bit more personal. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you feel your download history needs a reset. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.